have a next speaker, a very honorable, the president of Brooklyn nominees from the Republicans, Mr. Qassarr Bhutta. Please give him a big round of applause and a few words, sir.
Sir, anything you do is an honor for me. You are my brother. Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, Brother Richie Barsamian, my distinguished guests, my dear sisters and my brothers, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you at this momentous occasion. Good evening.
Good evening, brother.
As President of the Republican Party of Brooklyn for the Pakistani community and a proud member of the Pakistani community, it is a great honor to stand before you today. Our gathering tonight celebrates not just our shared heritage, but also our shared values that resonate deeply with the principles of the Republican Party. We believe in the power of individual liberty, the importance of personal responsibility, and the strength of the free market economy. Our economy story is one of perseverance and success. From the bustling streets of Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Islamabad to the vibrant neighborhoods of Brooklyn, we have shown that with the hard work and determination, anything is possible. The Republican Party believes in creating opportunities for all, ensuring that every individual, regardless of their background, has the chance to thrive. As we look to the future, let's continue to build bridges within our community and beyond. Let's ensure that our voices are heard and that our values are reflected in the policies that shape our lives. Together, we can contribute to the stronger, more prosperous America. Thank you, and may we always strive for progress and unity. And before I end my speech, I will speak like a brave man. Thank God my chairman is Brother Richie Barsamian, who supports us like brothers and family. I am thankful to all the distinguished guests. I am thankful to my mentor in this place, Baba Mustafa, who really support me in Pakistani community. I am thankful to Brother William Shahzad, who took me like a brother. He said, we need you, and he proposed my name. I am so thankful to him. And I will never forget Brother James Cyprian, who is my vice president for Pakistani community and has been doing each and everything to bring this successful event. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Yes.
God bless America. God bless Pakistan.
And God bless President Donald Trump.
Thank you, Qassarr.